Sweet. All right. All right. Dang. That sounded cool though.
Yeah.
Thanks guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate especially the manual. Thank you.
Oh yeah, no problem. Well, he's the one that had the idea.
It would actually tell them what's going on. All right, so it's 3, right?
Right.
2, 1. Oh.
For like 3 seconds.
Okay. There are people at that park. I wonder how they reacted to that. Sweet.
Ready?
Hey, Jack.
Do it?
Yeah.
You can do it, Jack. Here, I'll videotape you and I'll send it to you.
All right.
Or you want? Fine. As I said with every other one, sweet.
Something fell out of there and hit me on the head.
It did.
It was really small though.
Sweet.
What's the FSKs coming through?
It's the sirens, baby.
What's the FSK?
Press the button this time.
Yeah.
3. 3.
To the left.
Number 3 to the left. 3 to 4.
No. That way.
Oh, to the left. Okay. Something literally bit me while I was doing that.
What?
Something literally bit me while I was doing that.
Shook.
I know. Sweet.
What?
Nice. Sweet. Good job, Jackaroo. Sweet.
I still hear it echoing.
Sweet. Thanks, guys.
Yep, no problem.
All right.